Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to be doing another product review, this time of the Real Enchiladas, using their famous chicken for breading. Kind of crazy, but they've got three flavors: beef, chicken, so it's chicken on chicken, and cheese. We're going to try them out. We'll see kind of how they compare to each other and whether or not they're worth buying. So let's check them out. First thing we're going to do, obviously, is take them out of the box. All we need to do is leave them in the tray, that's what it says, and then you put a slit in the film. So we're going to do that right quick. They're not very big. There's only 190 calories total, so this is definitely not something that's going to be a fill you up kind of thing. Really, at 190 calories, it's kind of like a snack to me, but you know, whatever. Okay, so I made a slit in the film. Place tray in microwave oven, cook on high for 3 minutes. So we're going to do that. We'll be right back. Okay, I was looking at the back of the boxes. It should be very clear. The chicken and the beef are both at 190 calories. The cheese is at 350 calories, so it's significantly more calories. So if you're going to eat more than one, you need to be careful that you don't eat a whole bunch of cheese ones and blow your calories for the day. So anyway, I put these all in for 3 minutes each, so they're nice and toasty. Come on. Wow. So when a steak knife can't cut plastic, it's some thick plastic. Let's try one of these and see how it goes. Obviously, I cooked this one first, so it should be cooled down enough for me to not hurt myself eating it. This is the chicken, or sorry, the beef enchilada with the chicken tortilla. It's not bad. It's definitely not as soft. The tortilla is not soft. So it is more like that pizza crust. So they probably just made it a little bit thinner and then called it good. It definitely tastes pretty good. Texture's not super amazing. It's definitely not something that if you're looking for a tortilla kind of feel, that soft tortilla texture, you're not going to get it here. So, all right. So this is the chicken on chicken. This one has a tomatillo sauce instead of the red sauce. You can see kind of it's got the tomatillos, which is the green, like green chili. It's alright. I don't like it as much as the beef one. It's got kind of a strange kind of tang, which I would guess is probably from the tomatillos. I normally like tomatillos quite a bit, but this one just kind of a little bit off. The almost like vinegary kind of thing. But because it's chicken wrapped in chicken, the extra chicken flavor doesn't, it kind of just meshes with the regular chicken, so it's not as surprising as, hey, you got beef in my chicken, or chicken in my beef. So, not bad. I'd give this one probably like a 7. This is probably like an 8, 8.5. So let's try the cheese as the last one. See how that turned out. These look much smaller when I was getting them out. They're like, I don't know if you can see in there, they're significantly smaller in the container. And obviously the reason that these are higher in calories is because they're way higher in fat. I want to say there's 25 grams of fat in this, 9 grams in this, and 10 grams in this. So this is definitely the thing that, whoa, that's a lot of cheese. That makes me happy. All right. That's a good time. I like that better than this even. That's really good. I mean, cheese covers a multitude of sins, so I'm not really surprised that I like this one the most. But man, it's pretty good stuff. So yeah, I'd say this is probably a good 9. I could definitely eat that on a regular basis. The only thing that's a little bit off-putting is the texture of the tortilla, and it's not. I mean, it's not disgusting or anything. It's just it's not a tortilla. And I know that like the Mission low carb tortillas that I normally use, those are basically indistinguishable from regular tortillas. So I really like what they're doing. I've enjoyed their pizzas and stuff, and I of course like to support companies that are actually trying to serve those of us that are on the low carb lifestyle. So yeah, real good, real enchiladas. And I think they've got them at, I got mine at Dillon's, which is a Kroger brand here in Kansas. And I think that I've heard that they're at some Walmarts as well, but I do know that they're like widely distributed in the Kroger line. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Have a great day.